Bite-sized news. Today we're diving into how NTT data is shaking up the manufacturing sector with private 5G. First off, why should you care? Because private 5G is not just the next big thing, it's already transforming industries by enabling cutting-edge technologies. NTT data is laser-focused on the manufacturing sector. Their approach? Understand client needs first, then roll out the tech. It's not just about selling 5G networks, it's about solving real business problems. One stellar example? The Roularta Media Group in Belgium. NTT data set up a private 5G network in their printing facility. The results? Cost savings, fewer radios, and better network performance. That means smarter machinery, intelligent asset tracking, and seamless communication. But wait, there's more. NTT data has teamed up with Palo Alto Networks to add a layer of top-notch security. We're talking next-gen firewalls and AI-powered threat detection. This makes industrial networks not just smarter, but safer too. And it's not just manufacturing. NTT data is rolling out private 5G across other verticals like automotive, healthcare, and even smart cities. Imagine connected parks, modernized traffic lights, and efficient airport operations. So, why does this matter? Because NTT data's innovation is paving the way for a smarter, more connected world. And that's something every tech enthusiast should be excited about. Alright, that's all for today's bite-sized news. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.